What's up guys, Jeff Ong here and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, we are gonna check out if which one is better. Is it the Hyper Royale or the Jordan 1 University Blue? So let's go. First off, we got the Jordan 1 Hyper Royale right here and the Jordan 1 University Blue. So I'm gonna make a separate vlog na lang for this two. So I'm gonna make an unboxing, a review, and an on-feed preview of the Hyper Royale. And same sa University Blue, I'm gonna make a vlog, a separate vlog, a review, an unboxing for this one as well. But for this vlog, we are gonna check out if which one is better. And at the end of this video, sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mas pick ko dito sa dalawa or kung ano yung mas type ko dito sa dalawa. And make sure to finish this vlog because at the end of this vlog, I will be giving away a pair of shoes. So the mechanics will be on the description box. But make sure to watch this vlog till the end because I'm gonna show the shoes sa dulo ng vlog. So yun, hindi ko napapakita like unboxing or details ng box nila. Basically same Jordan 1 box lang sila and I got it in both size 10.5. We got a lucky W sa Nike Park PH. So sige, kuha ko ng one pair ng University Blue and one pair ng Hyper Royale. So we can compare them. Yan. So as you can see, hindi ko pa nalilace up yung Hyper Royale. But let's start with the first impression. So first impression ko on these pair, honestly, based from last year pa, like sinasabi ng mga tao na parang anticipated sneaker to this 2021, and ito lang yung talaga yung pinaka-inabangan ko, yung University Blue, because it has that classic Chicago colorway, tas ginawa lang UNC, which is very iconic rin kay Michael Jordan. Pero ito wala talaga akong plan i-cop siya, pero based from the reviews and the fits, and I mean, sabi nila para daw sa turbo green, and I had a turbo green before. Short story lang about the turbo green, I got that hindi pa hype yung Jordans, and I think I got it for around 9,000 pesos lang. Then I had to sell it for around 16 to 18k because parang basically tinrade ko siya for a new pair. So I got the classic black and white 2013 I think na pair, and I think mas worth it or mas worth it yung cup na yun. Kaya ayun, I made the trade. But heading on over to the Hyper Royales, first impression ko sa picture ayoko siya, but in person holding it, sobrang ganda niya, sobrang linis. It's super unique, and as you can see. So yun yung first impression ko sa kanya. And let's head on over to the quality of this one. Sige, let's start with the University Blue. Quality of the University Blue is super good talaga, as in 101%. Ngayon, sobrang ganda talaga, as in if ever you guys nakahawak na kayo or nakasuot na kayo nung Rookie of the Year, halos similar yung pagka-tumble leather nung white. I don't know if it's a Rookie of the Year sale, pero on this one it's white. And I'm just gonna give you a close-up look. Ayan, sobrang soft ng leather niya. May kita yun naman eh. Ayan, no? So we got a white tumble leather over here. Plus even the swoosh, the black swoosh is tumble leather as well. Then we have a high quality, I think this is nubuck suede right here for the UNC Blue. Yan, it's super nice. And one thing that I noticed on this pair is hindi man siya like super noticeable, it's just a small detail, but sana yung pagka-University Blue nung top is same na lang dito sa blue na outsole, but it's slightly different, parang mas saturated siya ng konti, pero no big deal, maganda pa rin naman siya. And heading on over to the back part, sa upper heel part, we have this. It's a tumbled leather as well, soft tumbled leather, as you can see. Yan, I'll press it lang para makita nyo yung quality. Super ganda talaga. And we have a black Jordan Wing logo right here sa may ankle part, which is super nice. And the default laces for the University Blue is black. Yan, black siya. And I think ang extra lace nito is parang university blue din eh, na color. So, wait, let me check kung nasaan na yun. Ayan, parang ganito siya. Yan. Pero some change it to white, which is not included on this box. But, siguro i-change ito to white kasi mas cleaner. I mean, basing it from the Chicago colorway, which is the OG colorway, if you put white laces on it, sobrang ganda. The only issue that most of the the issue most of the owners of the University Blue had lang on this pair is the excess glue, as you can see right here. Ayan, may mga excess glue siya. And I think, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, pero I think ito yung first release ng Jordan na I think sobrang ganda niya, pero ang daming issue, like sa group nakikita ko ang daming excess glue, like on my pair nga sa my right foot, I think, ayan no, sa right foot meron parang slash or cut yung sa akin, but it's no big deal naman because I'm gonna use it personally and I like the style, I like the colorway. And let's head on over to the University Blue. Ayun nga, as I've mentioned earlier, first impression ko, ayoko talaga siya. Kasi, basing it from the turbo green, yung turbo green kasi parang yung parang rough suede kasi ito eh. Ayan, it's rough suede. Yung pagka rough suede ng turbo green, matigas siya. I mean, kahit ilang beses ko na siyang ginamit, parang stiff siya, so it's not that comfortable for me. Kaya, I don't know, baka na-compare ko siya doon, pero basing it from this one, na hawak ko na siya, I think mas soft yung rough suede niya compared to the turbo greens. And I think this is a super unique pair. And pag tinignan nyo siya ng malayo, para siyang washed denim. But actually, if you look at it closely, it is a rough suede na may parang acid wash effect, which is, I think, nice. Very summer, very light. Thus, combined with the gray swoosh and gray upper heel part material right here. Ayan. Actually, sobrang lambot niya eh. Tapos parang siyang may pagka... I mean, hindi siya like same dito sa University Blue. Yung gray material niya, parang siyang smooth suede eh. Ganun eh. Parang may pagka-furry ng konti. Ganun yung vibe niya. And what I like about this is yung wing logo. Sobrang ganda, sobrang linis. It's deboss. I mean, deboss rin naman dito, pero mas prominent yung pagka-deboss and mas detailed here sa Hyper Royale. Ayan. And heading on over to the outsole. The outsole is gray, similar to the turbo greens, I think, based from what I remember. And the default laces on this is white. And nung in-unbox ko siya, nagulat ako bakit may parang Hyper Royal na, baka dito ko kinuha yung Hyper Royal, parang may blue-violet na laces, which I think hindi bagay. Pero I think kinuha na lang siya dun sa mga stitches or stitching nung shoes, kasi parang may pagka yun, ayun na, this part. Parang halos similar siya dun sa laces eh. Kaya I think dun siya kinuha, pero for me hindi siya okay. Kaya I'll just stick with the white laces for this one. And comparing the white leather, sige, let's compare it. Ito, sa University Blue, it's tumbled, quality, soft leather. While on this pair, the Hyper Royale, it's kind of stiff. Tapos hindi siya tumbled leather. Para siyang yung nasa Port Purple 2.0. Parang ganun siya. Which I think needs to break in pa para to give that parang luma or parang malambot na effect. Kahit na worn eh, parang it's kind of stiff pa. And comparing the blue material, yung blue part, I like this. For the white part, sa ano ako, University Blue. And for this one, sa ano pa rin ako, University Blue, because I love the colorway of the, yan nga, University Blue. And sobrang ganda ng quality nung suede niya, or nung nubuck leather niya. And ang issue nga is excess glue lang, ganyan. Comparing the inner sock lining naman, we have a gray inner sock lining over here, and we have a black sock liner over here, which I think is more classic. Kaya, ayun, if you're gonna ask me if ano pipiliin ko, I'll go with the University Blue. Even may issue siya with excess glue and scratches, pero I think this is a classic pair. I think this will last 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Kasi it's UNC colorway. According to one review nga na nakita ko, ito na yung pinaka-accurate na UNC. Hindi yung UNC Low, hindi yung UNC na Off-White. But this one daw, yung pinaka-accurate na University North Carolina or UNC. But this one is not a bad pair naman. If you're looking for a summer sneaker, ito, I would definitely recommend this one. It's very light. Yun nga, para siyang acid wash effect. Yung swoosh niya, it's gray. So, hindi siya super halata. Or hindi siya, alam mo, hindi siya parang yung mapapansin mo agad. Unlike this one, it's black kasi. Kaya, kitang-kita na agad yung swoosh. Pero, if you want something unique, if you want something na parang kakaiba yung material, go for the Hyperreal. But if you want a classic pair na, as in classic parang OG, ganun na colorway, go for the University Blue. Kaya for me, it's the University Blue. And before this vlog ends, as I mentioned earlier, I will be giving away a pair of World Balance sneakers. So this is a size US 10 or European 43. So sa mga US 10 dyan, comment lang sa comment section World Balance. Yun lang, just comment World Balance and comment as many as you can. Then mag-random selector tayo. Tapos, yun, I will announce the winner. So lagay ko na lang yung mechanics sa description box below. Kaya yun. So ito yung itsura ng shoes. So we got a gray sneakers over here. So brand new pa to. This is a size 10. Yan. So yun, sa mga size 10 dyan, comment na and join the giveaway. And that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if Team University Blue ba kayo or Team Hyperroyal. And that's it. Don't forget to click the notification bell right here para if I have a new video, updated kayo. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!